Alright, we are going to make a custom box for our shipping and branding and everything. So we have, and we're going to do this with a sublimation printer and a heat press. So we got our press warmed up. It's at about 370, 380. Should be about good to go, which that should be good for this. These white corrugated boxes, you can sublimate on these. So if you want a simple way to brand something, here's a good idea. So, move my mail, we don't need that. Printed these out. I just used Cricut Design Space to do up my logos and stuff the way I like. We're going to make custom packaging for our gear orders going out to try and get some more branding done this year. Redid our logo. And when you print your sublimation prints, make sure you print them backwards, reverse them, so when you put them on here, they're the right side. I've got this box already set up. Heat taped down just to keep it in place. Here's the top. Here's the side, or the front, I should say. So we're going to put the website on the front, this on the top. And then on the inside, it'll be done up pretty nice. Some stickers and this and that. This is a excuse me, prototype and kind of step one. So we're going to go over here to the heat press. Let this bad boy kick and see how this goes. I've done this before and it worked out just fine. So I don't think we'll have any issues. So let's pause this for a second. Okay, so we got our box in the press here. We're going to let that sit for about 30 seconds or so. It doesn't take long on something like this. My press is a little dirty, you have to pardon me here. But we're going to do the website first, and then we'll press the big logo on the top. So I've got this set for 45 seconds. I might just let it run the whole 45, but make sure you put some butcher paper in between the design and your carrier sheet, or not your carrier sheet, your Teflon sheet. So it's probably going to pop off. Now, these boxes don't have a, yeah, and that's why you want your butcher paper, so because it will bleed through some. These boxes don't have adhesive on them, so that's one plus. So you don't have to worry about glue coming loose. Now, right here, you might get a little warping. Make sure you avoid that. That's why I didn't do a ton of heat on these, but these boxes are pretty sturdy. So, and it don't take long because I mean it's just going on corrugated cardboard. So let's see how this came out. And we got our branded box. Look at that. I think that's sharp. Now you can probably let this sit a little longer to let that ink sink in there, but that looks good to me. So we will pause and we will go and do our top logo, which has got more colors to it. So okay, so we got our box here done. Got our site on the front, and then our logo on the top. I could have pressed this a little bit longer to get a little bit darker image, but I was trying to avoid any kind of scorching on the box. But yeah, I think I'm just going to press this one the next time, just like this, because it seemed to come out pretty good. But yeah, we have our custom box ready to go. We'll pack up this order, and we got stickers cutting over here, so hopefully those come out good and we can get to it.